Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a motivational quotes frame. First, gather your materials: a picture frame, your favorite motivational quote, and some basic craft supplies. Choose a frame size that complements both your quote and the space where it will be displayed. Then, print your chosen quote on good quality paper to ensure a crisp, professional look for your finished piece. This initial step sets the foundation for a beautiful display. Next, carefully prepare your printed quote. Using a ruler and a sharp craft knife, trim the quote precisely so it fits perfectly within the frame's matte opening. This step is crucial for a polished appearance, so take your time to ensure clean, straight edges. You might also consider adding a decorative border or a colored background to enhance the quote's visual impact before framing. Now it's time to assemble your frame. Gently place the trimmed quote behind the frame's mat, centering it nicely. Use small pieces of acid-free tape on the back to secure the quote in position, preventing it from shifting. Before closing the frame, make sure the glass is perfectly clean and free of any smudges or dust. This ensures your motivational message shines through clearly. Finally, choose the perfect spot to display your newly created motivational quote frame. Whether it's on a wall, a desk, or a shelf, make sure it's in a prominent location where you'll see it often. Ensure the frame is securely hung or stands firmly to prevent any accidents. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and motivated throughout your day. Enjoy your inspiring new decor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.